As the temperature rises and the sun beats down, it's crucial to keep your livestock hydrated. Hi, I'm Dalton Hughes, Livestock Equipment Category Manager for Faithway Alliance. Whether you're raising cattle, sheep, or any other animal, access to clean water is essential for their health and well-being. When it comes to ensuring a constant and reliable water supply for your animals, not all tanks are created equal. Let's talk about some of these options. First up, the Ritchie Automatic Waterer. This innovative solution offers convenience and peace of mind with the automated system. Equipped with a float valve mechanism, it maintains a steady water level without manual intervention, ensuring your animals have access to water whenever they need it. Next, we have the galvanized water tank. Made from rugged galvanized steel, these tanks are built to withstand the elements. Plus, their corrosion-resistant properties make them durable choice for the outdoor temperatures. And finally, the baleen plastic stock tank. Constructed from high-density polyethylene, these tanks offer durability without the weight of steel. They're easy to clean and maintain their non-corrosive materials, help ensure a clean and hygienic water supply for your livestock. Don't let dehydration become a problem for your livestock this summer. Visit your local co-op and choose from a wide selection of watering solutions like these brands and more to keep your animals happy and hydrated. Remember, anyone can shop at Co-op, your local hometown store.